Hello student, today we are going to study how to represent square root of 3 on number line. So let's begin. So again, for this you should know the Pythagoras. This is 90, this is called perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. And you know the square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. This square can be go there in the form of square root. That is, hypotenuse can be written as square root of perpendicular square plus base square. But now look, we have to represent root 3 now. रूट 3 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? अगर मैं इस 3 को रूट 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर करूं तो ये सेम आंसर आएगा. स्क्वायर रूट 2 प्लस 1. डू द स्क्वायर ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट 2. It will be 2 plus 1 and it will become 3. So now compare it. अगर हम इसे कंपेयर करें तो ये जो हाइपोटेन्यूस है ये बेसिकली हमारा क्या है? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3. और जो परपेंडिकुलर होगा वो क्या है? रूट 2 है या नहीं? एंड जो बेस होगा वो क्या होगा? हमारा 1. इसका मतलब जो हमारा डायग्राम बनेगा ऐसा कुछ, सपोज सबसे पहले तो हमें इस परपेंडिकुलर को क्या लेके जाना पड़ेगा? पहले इसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज कि हमें पहले रूट 2 को हमें प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा, रिप्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा, देन जाके हम लोग इसको आगे प्रोसीड कर सकते हैं. देखो, रूट 2 का मैंने आपको बताया था कि रूट 2 को हम लोग 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. यानी कि स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2, आई एम गिविंग यू अ रफ स्केच. स्क्वायर रूट 2 हम कैसे बनाएंगे? जब परपेंडिकुलर इसमें 1 होगा और बेस इसमें 1 होगा. सपोज दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर 1 एंड this is base 1 and perpendicular be 1 unit, right? So when we join these two points, तो ये क्या बन के आ जाएगा हमारे पास? रूट 2. Now taking this root 2 as base and making 1 as a perpendicular centimeter, we can form what? Square root of 3. So further, you will take then root 2 as a base and you will form 1 centimeter perpendicular line, and when you join these two, it will become square root of 3. This is some rough sketch which we are going to draw here. Okay, so look, that is, this perpendicular will become base and this base will become perpendicular when we do like this. Got it? Now let's start. So what will be our first step? ध्यान देना, हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप होगा टू रिप्रेजेंट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 ऑन नंबर लाइन. जब तक स्क्वायर रूट 2 नहीं बनेगा रूट 3 बन ही नहीं सकता. सो हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप होगा टू ड्रॉ और टू रिप्रेजेंट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 ऑन नंबर लाइन. सो लेट्स बिगिन. सबसे पहले हमें रूट 3 के लिए स्क्वायर रूट 2 को बनाना है. सो कैसे? सो लुक, आई हैव ड्रॉन 1 नंबर लाइन ऑफ 1 यूनिट each, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, first of all, we have to represent our square root 2. For square root, look, हमारा base होगा 1 और perpendicular भी होगा 1. आप चाहे तो यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं for square root 2 आपका base कितने यूनिट का होगा? 1 सेंटीमीटर, and perpendicular, that means height, will also be of 1 centimeter. This is for square root 2. So now look, बेस 1 सेंटीमीटर, तो 0 से 1 विल बी 1 सेंटीमीटर. So look, 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. Mark it with the black. Look, this is base prepared of 1 centimeter. Got it? And you can also name it. Name it. This is O and A. Okay. Now from A you have to make first what? For perpendicular we should have a 90-degree line. Okay, one right angle. So make an arc from A. This is 60, 120, and like this, intersecting. Make sure your height should be of 1 centimeter. Okay, but look here, this line is going like this from this intersecting. That means it is a perpendicular line, but we have to make from here only 1 centimeter line. So look, from 6 to 5 will be 1 centimeter. So I am drawing this 1 centimeter perpendicular. Look here, 1 centimeter, and this is also 1 centimeter. Now name it also. This is O, A, and name it B. I am saying it B. Now join OB. So it will become square root 2. Look, I have joined it. OB, and this OB is R of distance square root 2. Got it? So now look, we have completed our first step by constructing square root 2. Perpendicular 1 centimeter, base 1 centimeter, joining this and this. Okay, so before moving to our next step, first I am going to show you how to represent root 2 on number line. ये तो हमने ये लेंथ बना दी है root 2 की, लेकिन root 2 इस नंबर लाइन में कहाँ होगा वो भी हम सीख लेते हैं. So now to represent this root 2 on number line, take a length of root 2 first. Look, this distance is of root 2 unit. Okay, from O you have to mark an arc of length root 2. So look here, this is root 2. You have to mark an arc. Look, this mark on a number line is representing what? Square root 2. Name it D. So D is what? Root 2 on number line. This is how you can also make square root 2 on number line. Now our next step is to make root 3 on number line. So this is going to be our next step. For the next step, for the step 2, look, for root 2, now our base is square root 2. This is our base, and height will be of 1 centimeter. Height from here of 1 centimeter. For that height, we have to make first again this perpendicular arc, जो कि क्या होना चाहिए? 90. Perpendicular हमेशा एक 90 डिग्री एंगल के साथ ही होना चाहिए. So Now again make an arc from here and do the further process. So now look, I am going to draw step 2. Taking base we have drawn. Now taking height as of 1 centimeter. So now again take an arc to make a 90 degree from this B point. So look here, this is how I'm going to take an arc. This will be 60 degree. From 60 you have to make an arc, and this is 120, and from 120 again one arc. So now look, this is a perpendicular, okay, and but we need an height of 1 centimeter. So again I will make only 1 centimeter line from point B, that is passing from this, okay, that should pass from this. So 1 unit will be 3 to 4, I am making it. So look, 3 to 4. This is what our perpendicular distance. So look, this is of 1 centimeter, that is perpendicular, and now join this point of this length of 1 centimeter, name it E. Okay, name it E. Now E to O, join E to O, and you will notice this is of length √3. Got it? This E to O, that is OE, is of length √3, and now we have to draw a point that will intersect the lumber line at √3. Again, for that we have to take this distance, OE distance, and make an arc as we have done for √2. So look, this is the point where it intersecting the number line. So this will become √3. Name it at F, you can say. So F is what? √3 on number line. I hope you understood it. For √3 we have to first draw square root of 2 on number line, then taking it as a base we have to draw our square root 3. So these were the 2 steps we have drawn. That's it.